It's Tuesday, February 2nd. On today's full program, we learn about why the school board in San Francisco is changing the name of 44 of its schools, and another milestone in getting your car from the busy freeway to the sky above. Now, here's top story. Both U.S. coasts took a hit over the weekend. On the East Coast, Groundhog Day events were already grounded by COVID, but Puxatawny Phil is smart enough to stay hidden during a nor'easter anyway. The storm, Orlena, started on Sunday, and it's still snowing as we record today's show. Nor'easters get their names from the direction of the winds. This one has dumped close to a foot of snow on parts of New England. Some 100 million Americans impacted. It'll take some time to dig out, but not nearly as long as it will take to fix this. On the West Coast, a landslide that carried away a huge section of California's famous Highway 1. It's the result of what meteorologists call an atmospheric river, a storm that began by giving the San Francisco Bay Area the shivers, then slid down the Central Coast, stranding drivers on an icy highway and dumping up to 16 inches of snow on the San Bernardino Mountains. An atmospheric river is like, well, a river in the sky, a tremendous channel of water carried along as vapor and released as rain or snow. No estimate on repair time. In 2017, a landslide closed this road for 14 months. For now, if you're planning a drive down this beautiful highway, you'd better make a few sandwiches and turn around. You're looking at a 230-mile detour, folks. Love top story? Maybe it's time to subscribe to the full program. Go to worldwatch.news for more. And remember, whatever the news, the purpose of the Lord will stand.